हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आरके डिजिटल स्कूल। इस लेक्चर में हम डिस्कस करने वाले फाइल नॉट फाउंड एक्सेप्शन, हाउ टू हैंडल द फाइल नॉट फाउंड exceptions. A file not found error in Python is an error that pops up when try to access a file. That file is not exist on the same directory or whatever we mention the path on the same path. Okay, let's see the example without exception handling. So with open samples.txt, I'll just open in read mode. Okay, as file content is equal to file dot read whole whole line. Okay, now just print this value, print content. Okay, I'm just running this program now. इसको रन करने के बाद देखो इसमें आउटपुट क्या है, नो सच फाइल और डायरेक्टरी सैंपल्स डॉट CSV. ओके, अभी इसको जो है ना हम इम्प्लीमेंट करते हैं इसमें एक्सेप्शन हैंडलिंग. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द ट्राई. ओके, try is the first keyword to implement the exception handling. Just accept file not found error. Okay, and then print file does not exist. Okay, we have to provide the indent. Okay, let's run this program. Now I'm getting file does not exist. Okay, so now we are going to see how to handle the multiple exception in the same program. Suppose if you are writing the code and you have to handle the zero division error, value error, and file not found exception. So we'll start the coding now. Try. This is the syntax. Okay. So x is equal to, I'm taking the input from the keyboard. Okay, and I define the value as a integer. And if you accept the input from the keyboard, we have to pass the input. Okay, please enter the value, okay, as a number. Okay, and then I'm creating one variable y and dividing the value as a 10 by x. Okay, sorry, except this is called value error, right? If you provide the wrong input, then it comes under a value error. Print, then what we type here, that is not a valid number, right? Okay, and the next what we have to accept, zero division error, right? Zero division error. Print zero division, you cannot divide by zero, right? Let's run this program. So now it's asking about the value of x. Okay, if I'm passing 0, let's see the output. you cannot divide by 0. Okay, let's run the program once again. Now I am passing hello. It should be accept the integer value, but I am passing here as a string value. Now see the program is not a valid number. Okay, that is not a valid number, right? It should accept the in number, but I pass here as a string. Okay guys, that's it from this lecture. We will see in the next lecture. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.